The agile team is consistently failing to deliver the agreed upon features within the sprint time frame. What action should the Scrum Master take to address this recurring issue? A new agile team member is receiving more help and guidance from an external coach than from senior members within the company. The team wonders if they should rely only on the internal staff for the knowledge transfer. What impact might welcoming external help or mentors have on team's growth and success? A junior developer is hesitant to contribute during sprint reviews, fearing their input lacks value compared to senior team members. What can Scrum Master do to empower the developer? The Scrum Master presents two paths for the product launch: a standard, less personal approach, or a more innovative approach that aligns strongly with the team's core values. What might happen if the team chooses a path that truly resonates with their passions and strengths? A developer in the team made minor mistakes in past sprints. A colleague now avoids pairing with them, claiming they only want perfect partners. How can recognizing imperfection and showing tolerance benefit the team's overall effectiveness? A junior developer emotional well-being is heavily tied to praise or critique from a senior developer, affecting morale. What steps could the Scrum Master take to help this developer maintain confidence and independence? A Scrum team member often unintentionally sounds aggressive, leading to frequent misunderstandings and tension during daily stand ups. How might adjusting communication styles reduce conflict and increase team collaboration? A Scrum Master is always available to team members day and night. Some team members started taking this availability for granted, expecting immediate responses of hours. What if establishing boundaries ensure respect while still offering support to the team? The project has become routine and lacks creativity, leading to team boredom and reduced innovation. How could injecting creative, engaging moments into each sprint re energize the team? A team member who left the organization due to performance issues has requested to rejoin the team during a critical project. The manager is considering their return despite unresolved past concerns. What should the Scrum Master do to ensure the team's harmony and project success? The team is exhausted after consecutive sprints without a break, impacting productivity and morale. What should the Scrum Master suggest? During a sprint planning meeting, the team spends excessive time trying to predict every possible risk, delaying the sprint kickoff. How should the Scrum Master guide the team? The team is brainstorming design ideas for a new product but struggles to align on a consistent theme. How can the Scrum Master facilitate this discussion? The product owner wishes to improve team's efficiency but struggles to prioritize tasks effectively. What can the Scrum Master do to assist? During a retrospective, the team identifies conflicting expectations about work life balance. How should the Scrum Master address this? During a Scrum project, a major organizational restructure disrupts team roles and responsibilities. What if adapting the Scrum team structure to align with organizational changes improves delivery outcomes? Two Scrum teams are merged following a company acquisition, causing confusion over processes. How could Scrum Master ensure team collaboration post merger? A competing team attempts to impose their processes on a Scrum project, causing conflict. How Scrum Master could resolve conflict to improve project outcomes. Stakeholders and the Scrum team disagree on the project scope, delaying progress. What should Scrum Master do to align stakeholders and the team on project scope? The Scrum Master is tasked with evaluating whether a new agile tool should be adopted. What should be Scrum Master's approach towards the evaluation? A Scrum team is onboarding a third party vendor to assist with development. What should be the Scrum Master's prime focus during assessment? The product owner needs to prioritize backlog items under tight budget constraints. What should be Scrum Master's prime focus during prioritization? A team member consistently avoids completing their assigned tasks, causing delays in the sprint. What if each team member is held accountable for their deliverables? During retrospective, one team member angrily dismisses suggestions from others, stalling progress. How might fostering respectful communication during retrospective enhances team's learning? A junior team member hesitates to suggest a bold new feature for fear of criticism. How could creating a safe space for sharing ideas improve team innovation? A senior developer refuses to accept feedback on their work during sprint review. What should the Scrum Master do? One team member resents another for receiving recognition during a sprint review. What should Scrum Master do? A team member doubts their ability to handle a complex task, causing delays in delivery. What should Scrum Master do? Team members skip meals and take no breaks to meet deadlines, resulting in declining health and work quality. What should happen if the team took short intentional breaks for meals or exercise? How might that impact energy and productivity? Your Scrum team feels like they are always rushing between meetings and tasks, leaving little time to focus on delivering backlog items. How would having dedicated focus hours without interruptions impact your ability to deliver quality work during the sprint? The team often seems anxious and distracted during sprint planning, impacting their ability to commit to tasks. What should Scrum Master do to help the team approach planning with clarity? Team members often rush into daily Scrum unprepared, leading to unclear updates. What should Scrum Master do to improve the quality of discussions? The team never visits stakeholders or remote colleagues, leading to miscommunication. What would improve if the team occasionally traveled to meet stakeholders or co-located colleagues? Developers feel guilty about logging off early, often overworking themselves. How can Scrum Master improve both teams' output and morale? Late night communications and bug fixes leave team members exhausted for the next day. What actions Scrum Master should take that could positively affect team performance? The team is overwhelmed by technical spikes and high pressure deadlines. How could scheduling lighter days focused on cleanup or brainstorming impact team creativity and stress levels? Daily scrums focus only on tasks, with little opportunity for deeper discussions about blockers or strategies. How could Scrum Master ensure meaningful conversations about blockers or shared learning? The team rushes to complete backlog items without considering quality. What should the Scrum Master do to ensure quality is maintained? Stakeholders have reported minor defects in the final product, raising concerns about quality assurance. How can Scrum Master ensure product excellence? During the sprint review of website project, the product owner identifies that the color scheme on Hoover is inconsistent and does not meet the acceptance criteria. The expected Hoover color should be blue, but it's currently incorrect. What should the Scrum Master do next? During sprint testing of a website development project, the Scrum team discovers that API performance issues were delaying a functionality. What should the Scrum Master do next? During the daily Scrum of a website development project, the team identifies the main dashboard is not showing up to date figures because of a missing dash feature that the team forgot to implement during the current sprint. What should the Scrum Master do? During the sprint testing of a website development project, the team discovers that the appointment API is slow and affecting page load time. This could delay development and deployment if not resolved. What should the Scrum Master do next? During the sprint testing of a website development project, the team discovered that in the drop down menu for date selection, the year and month values are not correctly translated into local language. This could block the sprint goal. What should the Scrum Master do next? During the sprint testing of a website development project, the team discovered that the pagination in the appointment history section does not correct. work correctly and the backend data is incomplete. What should the Scrum Master do next? During the daily scrum, the design team escalates that they have not received an updated advertisement from marketing department, delaying multiple page updates. What should the scrum master do next? During a backlog refinement session, the team discovers that different services are using the same icon, leading to user confusion. The issue was overlooked in the previous sprint. What should the scrum master do next? The QA team reports that the continuous deployments and code pushes are delaying final testing and blocking stable UAT readiness. What should the Scrum Master do next? During the website review, During the sprint review of a website project, the stakeholders point out that the pending review status is not being displayed correctly on the dashboard, affecting the visibility of pending tasks. What should the Scrum Master do next? During a daily scrum, the team reports that the details link redirects user to the login page instead of subsystem dashboard. The product owner is concerned this might affect the demo in the next sprint review. What should the scrum master do next?